New information about the 18-year-old who was ripped out of his home by a tornado yesterday. He's the son of a Metro Atlanta actor.
His father was also in the hospital but is expected to be okay. Here is a look at that tornado as it spun across I-75 Thursday afternoon. You can see it pass right past these cars here.
Let's get you out to Henry County with Ariana Manise covering the story for us this morning.
So Ariana, within the last hour here, we just learned a well-known actor and his son were hurt here in this tornado.
Yeah, that's right, Aisha. The actor Tray Chaney, he's known for his role in the HBO show The Wire. We just spoke to him minutes ago, and he tells us his 18-year-old son, Malachi Chaney, is in the ICU right now, fighting for his life after he was ripped from their home when a tornado ripped through a portion of this Locust Grove neighborhood. Take a look at your screen. This is video of the aftermath of that tornado that hit just around 3:30 p.m. Thursday evening, tearing through the Laurel Creek neighborhood. It damaged at least 13 structures, destroying 2, including that home where the 18-year-old Malachi was sucked out of the second-story window and thrown nearly a football field away. And when we spoke to his father, he tells us that he was also hurt, as you mentioned, just released from the hospital moments after that tornado. He say Malachi was unconscious when they found him, now in the ICU at this hour. He says his son is still in critical condition with broken ribs and a fractured facial bone. Chaney says that he wishes that he could be in his son's place right now. Chaney recorded a video shortly after being released from the hospital, finding his phone under the rubble of his home that was leveled by that tornado. Take a listen.
Shout out to all my neighbors in my neighborhood who ran to my rescue. My son was thrown 300 feet out of his room. My house is gone. I just got out the hospital. I got this bruise on my head. I wish I could replace the pain with my son. No, I wish he was the one that was doing the video and I was still in ICU.
Now, we spoke to Tray via text, and even through text, you can feel how emotional he is currently as he sits by his son's bedside at this hour. We also spoke to neighbors who tell us that they helped Tray look for his son under the rubble of what was left from that tornado. Meanwhile, the National Weather Service is expected to be in this area surveying the damage, surveying the strength of that tornado. We also know that the American Red Cross was in the neighborhood helping those that were impacted. Reporting live from Locust Grove, I'm Ariana Manise for 11 Alive. Back to you.
Ariana, we're thinking about Malachi and his dad this morning. Thank you. Let's